Oh, hey there. You all know that this living in limbo lark is kind of making me go a bit crazy. I've been ironing shirts and doing other things like folding washing and cooking meals and putting photographs of it on Instagram. I've been watching YouTube videos and I've been learning new skills. I've learned how to fold a fitted sheet, and this is how you do it. You find a corner, stick your hand up there, you find another corner, and you take that corner, you put it onto the top of that corner, and you fold it over there like that. Give it a little shake out, then you find all the socks that are stuck in there, you get them out. Then you go and find another corner, you take that corner, you fold that one over the other two. You go and find the last corner, wherever that is, and you take that corner, put your hand up there, put it over the other two, and then you got a complete balls up, so you just wrap it up like that and shove it away. Easy. But there's other things I've been doing as well. So one of the more useful things I've been doing lately is taking care of the leather stuff. So there's this old jerkin that I used to wear when I was riding the bike. I bought this from a army surplus store years and years ago, and it shrunk and so I wasn't using it, and it's been passed on to the young fella, and it's a good extra layer. It's lined with a blanket, so what I'm doing now is giving it another coat of conditioning oil for the leather. I did one coat on it last night, and then we'll give it some beeswax. So I did all the leathers last night with the oil. Leather, for some reason over the years it shrinks, or we expand or something. So I'll get all this done and I'll bring you back, if you're still there. This is V's old jacket. It's a really good little jacket too. It's an English jacket, made in England, and we bought this, must be 30 years ago. Bought it second hand, and still in excellent condition, although it's been sitting around for the last good 10 years or more, not being used and not being treated. So I oiled it last night, but because of the leather so dry, I'm going to oil it again in a couple of days. I'll put the beeswax on it, seal it. There's a certain young fella's girlfriend who actually fits it. Cheers. Good health. So that's the oiling done. Second coat on those other two things. Now this jacket here is also very old, and I bought this in 1983 in the good old UK, and of course wore it for many years. Had a couple of spills in it, and both arms had been pulled out at the seams, and I'd tried to bodgy it up, and the leather had dried out and it had shrunk. It wouldn't fit anymore. It was a bit of a mess. The lining was all ripped, and it wasn't good. So I took this jacket to Leslie at Blue Moon Leathers, and she completely restored it as far as all the stitching and that goes. And she did this treatment that we're doing with the leathers now, which I've taken on board. She gets old stuff like this and she washes it, and once it's dry, oils it, puts the old beeswax on, as well as repairing and doing that. Absolutely incredible. This feels so good now. So I oiled it last night. It was handed down to my son for his 22nd birthday. Fits him like a glove, and I think that if we treat it good, it'll last him until he expands. It doesn't fit anymore. Because bloody leather, it shrinks. I tell you, it shrinks. So now I'm going to put the old beeswax on, and this is a lot more hard work than the old oiling, that's for sure. It's worth it. Water just beads off it. It's amazing. Just generally all around good for it. Oh, this is hard work, I tell you. we come to my current jacket. It's served me well for the past 6 years or so. It is a hello Chinese special. So we'll wax this one up. It got oiled last night and it was done 6 months ago, something like that. Shall we try a time lapse? Get rid of him. Coffee's almost done. I'll do the same thing to my boots and my gloves. Bit of an experiment with the gloves because they're not full leather, these ones. They're just a couple that I grabbed off the shelf. So I oiled the parts that are leather last night and I'll beeswax the whole lot and see if that waterproofs them. Who knows? No such thing as waterproof motorcycle gear as far as I'm concerned, but we can try. But yeah, I'll do the gloves first. And I know I missed the spot. Never mind.